In many businesses, there is a need to separate valuable components out of a fluid. Equally, there is a need to prevent harmful components which are emitted to the environment, just as people do not want to inhale such components. The patented technology of the rotational particle separator provides the answer to many of these challenges. I will show you how. Here I have a small prototype in my hands. Basis is a rotating cylinder. In the cylinder is a large number of parallel channels. The cylinder rotates around its symmetry axis. Gas which enters the channels will co-rotate with the cylinder. Particles which are present in the gas will move radially in outward direction. This is due to the centrifugal force which acts on the particles. The particles arrive at the outward wall of the channel. If there are liquid droplets or liquid aerosols, they will form a liquid film. This film flows downwards and leaves the channels at the bottom of the rotating cylinder. If the particles and aerosols are solid, they can stick to the walls. To prevent this from happening, a fluid is injected at the top. It will flow along the outward wall of the channels and thus carry all particles and aerosols downwards to the bottom where they leave the rotating cylinder. The injected fluid can be a disinfecting liquid. It directly kills all viruses and bacteria present in the particles and aerosols. Particles and aerosols as small as 1/10 of a micrometer are then removed from the gas. Such particles are invisible to the naked eye. They are the invisible enemy, which be effectively eliminated by the rotational particle separator. The environment will be safe for people. What we show here is a medium-sized version of the rotational particle separator. It can filter 300 cubic meters of air in each hour. This would be sufficient to control the air in a medium-sized room or office. Air enters at the top, flows through the rotating cylinder, which contains separation channels, and leaves at the bottom. Liquid, which can contain a disinfectant, is injected at the top. It leaves at the bottom and is collected in the storage vessel. From here the liquid is pumped back to the top and re-injected. There is no need to frequently replace and dispose filter media. All what is necessary is to replace the liquid about once or twice a year. The presented technology is thus truly sustainable. The technology of the rotational particle separator is already being applied in a number of fields and countries. First was Philips, which brought the original version of the technology on the market in a domestic air cleaner. The technology is also used to remove mist particles from natural gas at high pressure. One of the patented spin-offs of the technology is the absorber. This design is among others applied in a methanol production plant in China. Another absorption application is the removal of sulfuric components out of the combustion gases of ships. There are many other potential applications of the technology of the rotational particle separator. They offer tremendous opportunities for businesses. For those who want to take up the challenge, contact the CEO of Rotational, the company which owns know-how and patents.